All right, so here we go. This is our last example of the integral of integration by parts. And here's the problem. The integral of ln of x, this isn't something that we've covered directly. And it doesn't even look like it lines up with this because I told you that when you have a product, that's when you should really be using integration by parts, and there's no product here. So it looks a little slimy, but yet this is the technique. So one thing we need to do is pick something to integrate and something else to take the derivative of. And given that we don't know the integral of ln x, that tells us we should be taking the derivative of it, but then what are we going to integrate? And what the little sneaky part of this whole process is, I'm just going to put a 1 in there, right? I can multiply 1 times just about anything and be fine. So I'm going to say that 1 dx is going to be one of my terms, and the other term is going to be ln x. So I'm going to say that v equals ln x. V equals ln x. And therefore, I'm sorry. I'm going to say that 1 dx is dv. That's what I meant to say. I apologize. And I'm going to say that u is ln x. I'll write it the same way. Ln x is u. Because this is what I need to take the derivative of. So if I take this derivative, I get 1 over x dx is du. So that's good. And then over here, if I integrate the number 1, well, if I integrate 1, I just get x. So I'm going to get x equals v. Right? So if I integrate both sides, I get x equals v, and I don't need the plus c, so that's nice. So now it's time to just substitute back in. So this was this, so now I need u. U is ln x. V is x. And I need to be a little careful here, right? This is ln of x, not the ln of x. It's not the ln of x squared. It's ln of x times x. So let's put that in parentheses just so that we're clear on that. That's that part, minus the integral. V is x. Du is 1 over x dx. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this left side just to look a little nicer. X ln x minus the integral of x times 1 over x. I told you a little bit ago that if it's product, you should be thinking integration by part. However, I also told you that you should be thinking u substitution or simplification. And look at this. It is multiplying, but simplifying that, x divided by x is just 1, right? So this is really just asking me, what is the integral of 1 dx? And you know the answer to that is just x. The integral of 1 dx, I'm going to write it over here in just another color. The integral of 1 dx, well, that just is x plus c. So let's put in plus c. So this equation is the same as the integral of ln x. That's a terrible ln dx. All right, and just to prove that we are right, what I'd like to do is just take this derivative real quick. We need to follow product rule. The derivative of x is 1 times the ln of x plus the derivative of ln x, well, that's just 1 over x times the first equation, x, minus the derivative of x, which is 1, plus the derivative of c, which is 0. Well, now here we have 1 times the ln of x, so that's just ln of x. 1 over x times x is just 1 minus 1 plus 0 is 0. That's just the ln of x. We solved it. Very good. So that is it. If you need more examples, please, by all means, just ask. Send an email and ask. And otherwise, good luck, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.